We'll guide you through how to fix YouTube restricted mode turned on by network administrator. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. If I come to the top right here and go and press on my profile icon, come down the list and find restricted mode, we can see it's on. Now personally, I don't have a network administrator, which is why it confused me initially. But this is happening due to DNS, which has been set. And we can go and change this. So in Google Chrome, you come to the top right and press the three dots. Come down and press settings at the bottom of the list. Then what you need to do is come to the left and press privacy and security. In here, come down and press security. Scroll down until you can see the option select DNS provider. Come to the right and we can then choose one. You could go and choose Google Public DNS. Now, what we can then do is come back to YouTube and go and refresh it. And now restricted mode should be turned off, or we can at least go and adjust it. As you can see, it's off. If that doesn't fix it, then it's worth checking your computer's DNS settings in case one's been set there. If you found this useful, then leave a like.